So that is all kind of an homage to the porcupine and to the world of mammals, where fear is expressed as startled kind of either like neck hair or spikes of the porcupine. That is like the defense mechanism, both visually but also really. We decided to go with a visual version of that. So if I attack it really aggressively, I just have to take your hand over here because it takes your hand. It will raise all the spikes. If I open my hands and I'm more gentle, then I can bring them down. Now if I go aggressive again, we'll bring them up again. Yeah. That's pretty much.
What's interesting about this object is that the fact that we see the sense of fear as something that's not like a binary thing. If you catch the motion here, this is being the extreme, but then all the motions between can be captured until the full down, basically. So like this, for example, is a middle ground, and then if I go to the hand, it starts to think that I'm more of a threat, and not this is the full extent. So we wanted to capture how fear is something that isn't. It needs to be contextualized, and it needs to be. It's a variable that depends on a lot of different things, basically.
Yeah. Also, we decided to go with a back piece because we realized that people today, they have less and less awareness for their surroundings in a way, so they kind of need something that protects them if something is incoming, and that's more of a fun comment to that behavior. And you see it you see it behaving like an alive animal, right? It has its kind of own life. So it's constantly scanning for danger and tries to react to it. And then the idea was to have like a contrast between this kind of poisonous spikes,
Purple spikes.
and then if you bring them down, it's actually this very nice pleated fabric, and you can pet it as long as you're gentle. But once I'm aggressing again, it will rise, and I'm like, I might want to go.